Hey guys, this is SterlingW, and this is my portable air conditioner unit I got a few months ago. It's been working great, does really good cooling and stuff, but this also has a heat pump and it also has a function of dehumidifying, water in the air. So I could use this in wintertime or during the summertime, or if it's rainy season or whichever. And basically it just exits heat out, it basically exhausts heat out the window if you're cooling. And if you're heating the room, it actually pulls air from the outside and heats it up. Now, typically I have a little ceramic heater like this one. It's a tower heater, and it does really good because it oscillates, controls remotely. It's pretty awesome, but at the same time, it also doesn't really heat the entire room really fast. So if you have a larger room, this really wouldn't work as well. But if you have a small room and if you put this next to your desk, it works fine. So I'm just saying, it's like for the air conditioning unit, you can actually use it for a lot more stuff. I like how this portable heating unit is actually pretty cool because it oscillates. There's a timer and everything else. You control everything by the remote. But I really love my portable air conditioner unit because it does heating and cooling and dehumidifying as well. So you guys, it also has a remote that goes on the front, and which is really useful. But like I said, I had this for several months for cooling the room during the hot summertime. But now that it's getting cooler during the winter time, I actually use this for the rainy seasons to dehumidify, as well as use the heat pump function to start heating up the room. So as you can see, there's that little sun pattern that actually the heat function, and it heats up pretty quick. What it does is draws air from the back exhaust fan and basically heats up the room using fresh air. It doesn't use the inside air of the room. But anyways, very, very cool in terms of that. Overall, I'm so glad this thing I can use this thing year round instead of just, having a one trick wonder during, summertime. It does have a remote that is fully functional. You can also do timer settings on this thing, which is pretty nice. And it's actually pretty straightforward and simple, which is cool. It does have a storage bag, so I could put this away if I don't need it. And to set this up, it only takes less than 15 minutes to set up, to put the exhaust port tubing out the window. But you can also set the timer on this thing, which is pretty cool too. But yeah, I don't think I'll be putting this thing away anytime soon because it's so useful. I actually can move it to other rooms of the house if I needed to. So, and it's actually pretty quiet, which is pretty well built and compact. So anyways, that's really about it. Overall, I really do love this portable unit, and I thought it was pretty awesome. Anyways, guys, this is SterlingW, and I hope this review was helpful to you. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.